All right, so I made a couple videos recently harping about how you buy Magnum ammo that don't have velocity on the box, and you might not be getting real Magnum ammo. This is the Armscore ammo I talked about in that video. And so I've got that Armscore ammo. This is 500 Magnum ammo. Then I've got some Underwood ammo, which says on the box 1912 feet per second, and it is a 350 grain jacketed hollow point. Underwood is not afraid to put their ammo's velocity on the box because they load it correctly. And so we're going to shoot an Armscore and then an Underwood to show that not all 500 Magnum ammo is made the same. So here we go. All right. And this bad boy rotates counterclockwise as well. Oh, the first one's going to be fun. The second one's going to be funner. All right. You ready? Woo! All right. The last time I shot this gun, I broke it, so I should probably shoot it last. Here goes. Nothing. Now here goes. Oh, man, the difference in those two.
That's an oversight.
All right. Wimpy one first, real one second.
That wasn't nothing.
I told you. Don't let it lull you into a false sense of security.
I won't. Now there's some heat.
I feel the muzzle blast off of that.
Nothing. little push.
Yeah.
But, you know, nothing.
Like shooting 38s.
Yeah.
The next one's not going to be a little push.
I know.
The first one's the wimpy one, the second one's the real one.
Yeah, first one's nothing.
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 What would you give out on a scale of 1 to 10?
Half. Now that was something.
All right, so next we're going to shoot the Magnum Research BFR in 4570. And we're going to shoot 3 different rounds. One is a 405 grain lead round nose. This is a trapdoor load. Trapdoor load, lead round nose. The second one is a 500 grain trapdoor, kind of to show the difference that a heavier bullet makes. And then the third is a 350 grain modern commercial load. So this is not a trapdoor load. This is made for lever action rifles. And despite the fact that it's the lightest of the 3, it is going to kick substantially harder because it's loaded at a higher pressure level. So, ammo matters when you're shooting these guys. You ready for this?
Sometimes.
I'm not. Here we go. See if a red dot works this close up. No. Aim a little higher. That was sad.
Very sad.
Mm-hmm.
So those are trapdoor loads, and they're just kind of wimpy. Here's the commercial load.
Let's catch a fireball on this one.
Ooh, I felt that. All right, so my friend Marty had his 4570 out at the range today, sighting it in for hunting. He uses the same bullet I do, which is a 325 grain FTX Lever Evolution. It says on the box, not for handgun use. And he said shoot one of these out of it. And we're going to shoot one of these out of it. And I'll bet he'll shoot one out of it too, because he's already got one in his hand, like he's ready to go.
Yeah.
So I did call Magnum Research because this says not for handgun use, and I also called Hornady. Hornady said they put on the box not for handgun use because they felt like it was unsafe, and to call Magnum Research. And I called Magnum Research, and they said if the 1895 lever action rifle will handle it, their BFR will handle it. And then he followed it up with, but Hornady puts that on the box because you really shouldn't shoot something that violent out of a handgun. So, it's safe enough. All right, boys, here we go. This gonna kick. Did I say aim high or low? I said aim high, right?
Yep.
I don't know. We'll try aiming high. We'll see what happens. I hit it. All right, here he goes. 405 grain trapdoor. The 500 grain trapdoor loaded with trail balls.
Maybe a 2, maybe a 3. That's just a 9mm. You're
I
playing
know,
with me.
right? Now this one's serious.
Big boy. There we go. I give that an 8.
Yeah.
Well, I felt obligated to try this other round they're presenting, so here we go. About an 8 too.
Yeah.
Not a
That's
good
the same.
fireball.
That should be the 405. This should be the 500. This is the one that does nothing. That's 8 grains of trail balls. That is a published trapdoor load.
That's a 22.
This one's serious.
This one's gonna be serious.
Ow.
Eight and a half.
All right, Marty, I loaded him up 5. He's got the 405, the 500, 2 350s, and a 325. Nothing. Less than nothing.
That's a 22.
I know. Is that pretty more, a little serious?
A little bit.
A little bit. Here's the Hornady that says you shouldn't shoot it through a handgun.
All right.
So anyway, the point is it's not just the caliber you're shooting, it's how it's loaded. Make sure the velocity's on the box if you really want Magnum ammo. We had a lot of fun. Hope you have as much fun on your next range trip, and thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. See you soon.